In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage project categories from your Kanban space in Jira Cloud. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Jira site and that you have the right permissions to view project and space settings. Typically, you'll need to be a project admin or have similar permissions to access the options we'll be using. Start by opening your Kanban project in Jira. From your main Jira dashboard, navigate to your Kanban space and go to the All Work view for that project. This is usually where you see your list of issues, boards, or recent work items. Once you're on that screen, look towards the top or left-hand side of the page where the project navigation and options are displayed. You'll notice a highlighted area or button associated with the project name or project options. Click on that highlighted section to open more project-specific controls. This is often represented by a drop-down next to the project title or an options menu in the sidebar. From the menu that appears, look for Space Settings or Project Settings. Click on Space Settings to open the configuration area for this Kanban space. This is where you can manage details like the project name, key, and other administrative options. Inside the Settings view, you'll see another highlighted area relating to project details. Click on that highlighted section to move into the detailed configuration page. Here you'll find items such as descriptions, URLs, and, importantly for this video, categories. Within this details screen, look for an option labeled Manage Categories. It may appear as a link or a button near the category field. Click on Manage Categories to jump to the central page where all project categories are managed for your Jira site. You're now on the Project Categories Administration page. Here, you'll see an overview of existing categories and options to modify them. Look for the first highlighted control on this page, which might be used to add a new category or open a form. Click on that highlight to start interacting with your categories. Next, you'll see another highlighted element, often a field or button related to entering or confirming category information. Click on this highlight to proceed, for example, to type a category name or save your changes. Finally, locate the last highlighted control on the page. This is typically the action that finalizes what you're doing, such as confirming a new category or updating an existing one. Click on that highlight to complete the process, and that's it. You've navigated from your Kanban space into Jira's project category management area and used the key highlighted controls to work with your categories.